Rahim Nazreen, we are to another place. So, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? And nice to meet you. How are you? Good. So, where are you from, and what is your innovation?
I'm from Kuwait.
MashaAllah.
My innovation.
So,
is
your home.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a rotary valve system.
Okay.
It's basically a replacement for the engine cylinder head.
Okay.
So instead of having valves and camshaft and springs,
Okay.
we can throw all this and replace it, inshallah, with this one.
Okay. Thank you. So nice of you. We are just making a small segment for all the inventors. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. So next one, there is another invention. It is about shell and tube heat exchanger with semi-cylindrical tube by Dr. Sultan Sharif. So here is the model. Here is the invention here. So you can see, and they get a patent from US. And let us go to next one. There is another invention that is also from Kuwait. That is air distribution management system for central air conditioning. So this is their system. So you can see they have something, and they got some medals and something from previous maybe inventions from previous exhibition. Okay, so let us go to next one. Let us see, there are many people, so let me find the way. So let us see next innovation. Assalamu alaikum, how are you? Good. So who is the inventor?
He want to take for meeting.
Oh, okay, so like me.
Yes.
So I know we get the time. So we are checking it. So this is another invention from Kuwait, and that is anoding bioactive material. This is very difficult to see what is this one. So we don't know what is the function, and even the inventor is not here. So we will just go to next one. So let us check. So this one available?
No.
He's
Also
also- okay, so maybe there are some material invention. So it is about a hair dryer with the scent dispenser. So there is a hair dryer, it is giving you the scent, and this is also a small invention. So next one, we have another invention here. You can see the model. So it is RRB removable rubber bracelet. So this is what they have. So here is, you can put the bracelet if there is a problem. So you can see around, and let us go to next one. Okay, there is another. So Assalamu alaikum, how are you? You are from Kuwait? Okay, so what is your invention? Can you briefly give me some details?
So our invention is probiotics.
Okay.
It's beneficial bacteria.
Okay.
That use as a feed additive to the poultry.
Okay. Okay.
So our product, as I said, is probiotic bacteria.
Okay.
We add to the poultry.
Okay.
So as you can see.
Okay.
So we at the Kuwait Institute of Scientific Research.
Okay.
We did the isolation and characterization
Okay.
of these bacterial isolates.
Okay.
So from hundreds and hundreds of isolates that live in the chicken gut.
Yes.
Exactly from the seed.
Okay.
From the hundreds of strains, we have characterized and we have selected 4 beneficial bacteria
Okay,
that have promising, let's say, objectives.
Okay.
So the first one is they are have antibacterial activity against pathogens.
Okay.
The second thing, they can survive the acidic environment
Okay.
of the poultry gut.
Okay.
And in the field trials, we have found out that they can increase the weight of the chicken.
Okay.
They can also reduce the mortality rates of the chicken.
Reduce. So it is like about the bacteria.
Yeah, it's-
Basically, I also made an invention, but I'm utilizing bacteria to convert chicken manure to biogas. So my invention is also, but what is coming out from the chickens. So you are growing the chickens, and we are going to convert the manure into biogas. And so this is so nice of you. So nice. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. So this is another section we covered with inventors. So now we will go to another one. So let us see. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like and share with the people.